What was that like for you when you were really little to have this Yiddish writer mother?
When I was really little, I don't think I was very aware of what she was doing. Um, when I was older, I wasn't too happy that she was always writing. I wanted her to pay more attention to me. So once I took one of her notebooks in which she was writing and I threw it down the incinerator. And she jumped up and ran. We were on the third floor. She ran all the way down and saved it. The fire was not on then, so fortunately she saved it. But I was not in the good books for a long time. I wanted her to pay attention to me, and I would get, like if I got bored or something, I would bug her. And, I that's when I got older, I actually felt I liked that she wrote because I felt that all was well with the world when she was writing.